So guys, if you have a LG Velvet, you're experiencing the black screen issue, then I'm gonna show you what you need to do to fix this issue, right? You wanna hold the volume down on the power button and the phone will force restart, and you will see the logo. When you see the logo, you release all buttons. If it doesn't work, then another thing you can try is the volume up and the power button. If that doesn't work, you can try all three buttons together and the power button, and that should restart the device. If you're still not seeing, guys, you wanna do the charger. So you plug in the charger. Let me get the charger. You plugged in the charger. You have the cable here, so you plug in the charger and you do it all together with all the buttons. You want to try the volume down and the power button together with the charger in, and that should fix your black screen, guys. I hope that this video was helpful. It's definitely a quick fix. So the force restart works not most of the time. If that doesn't help, then you definitely need to check your screen physically for cracks or for any physical damage to your screen. So hope that this was helpful. If you're new here, do like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.